Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the easiest way to switch to dark mode on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and system preferences. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to System Preferences, wait for that to load, then go to General. And now on Appearance, we have the default light selected. Let's now switch to dark, and we can see that System Preferences has now changed to dark mode. Go back to light, go down to the dock, go to Finder, go back to System Preferences, and now click on dark mode. We can see that the Finder has also changed. Go back to light, go down to the dock, go to Safari, two-finger tap on System Preferences. Let's go to dark mode, and we can see that the Safari web browser has also changed. We can also see that the dock has also changed color. Go back to System Preferences, light. The dock has reverted back to its original self. Let's now quit Finder, Safari, as well as System Preferences. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.